welcomes all the dignitaries, participants, faculty members, students, research scholars, and media personnel to the technical session 5, roundtable discussion 2. Theme of the session is Research and Development in Science and Technology for Higher Education System. As you know, research is a way of life. More than self-taught, expertise, experience, and professionals, there are flavors to research efficiency, effectiveness, and also the flavor of research. We have great names today with us. So let's welcome Sri Arvind Agarwal, Commissioner of Higher Education Department, Government of Odisha. Sir, kindly bless us on the focuses on improving quality education, fostering innovation, and contributing in shaping the academic landscapes of Odisha. His leadership emphasizes institutional reforms, enhancement of educational infrastructure, and the promotion of equitable opportunities to higher education system. We welcome you, sir, to the day. Next, we have Professor Madhumita Das, Madam Vice Chancellor, former Vice Chancellor, Fakir University. I request you, Madam, kindly bless us on this. Professor Das, a renowned academician, a specialist in igneous petrology, industrial minerals, and environmental geology. She has published over 120 research papers, and she was also a German academic exchange service fellow. Professor Das has made significant contributions to geological sciences and higher education in India. We welcome you, Madam, today. May I now invite Professor Umachana Mahanti, panelist, Sir kindly bless us on this. Professor Mahanti is an eminent Indian meteorologist and an emeritus professor at School of Art and Ocean and Climatic Sciences of Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. He is the president of Odisha Vigyan Academy and is also known for his researches on numerical weather prediction, monsoon dynamics, climate and tropical meteorology. Professor Mahanti is a son of Bhatnagar Prize winner and fellow of Indian Academy of Sciences, fellow of National Academy of Sciences, fellow of Indian Meteorological Society, fellow of Indian National Academy of Engineering, and fellow of Indian Geophysical Union. He published more than 250 in different reputed journals. We welcome you, sir. Now, I request Professor Ashok Kumar Ganguly to place us on the dais. Professor Ganguly is the director of the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Barampur. Professor Ganguly is a respected figure in the field of nanomaterials, electrocatalysts and photocatalysts. He has published over 350 papers and has filed 5 patents. He is a recipient of National Award of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology given by DST, Government of India, the Chemical Research Society of India, Silver Medal, the Materials Research Society of India Medal, and the CNR Rao CRSI National Award, and many more. We welcome you, sir, to the list. Next, I am honored to invite Professor Dr. Basant Kumar Das, panelist, to kindly bless us on the list. Dr. Das is a distinguished scientist and academician who currently serves as the director of the Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture in Kolkata. With an extensive background in fisheries science and aquaculture, Dr. Das has made significant contributions to the development and advancement of freshwater aquaculture practices in India. He received numbers of international awards, holding numbers of patents and more than 300 high-impact factor publications. We welcome you, sir. Now it's time to invite Dr. K. Sujendra, panelist, to kindly grace us on the dais. on the dais. Professor Ajay Kumar Mahanti is the Secretary of the Odisha Vigyan Academy. With over 33 years as faculty at OUAT, he also served as an associate NCC official and earned several prestigious awards. He is passionate about promoting science education and community service, including his work with the National Children's Science Congress and Snake Helpline. We welcome you, sir, to the class. May I now request Dr. J.K. Sundarai, Director in charge SIPA, to kindly grace us on the dais. I also invite Director in charge ZSI, Dr. Anil Mahapatra sir, to kindly grace us on the dais.
I invite Professor Siddha Varada, Professor of Mathematics from Arizona University, US, to come to the dais.
Moving on, I request Sri Arvind Agarwal, Commissioner cum Secretary, Higher Education Department, sir, to kindly chair the session. Also, I request Professor Madhumita Das, former Vice Chancellor, Koimbatore University, to co-chair the session. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome all the participants. We are of the government and also from the university. We welcome all to this session. We can start the session.
With the due permission from the chairperson of the session, I now request Professor Umachal Mahanti to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Very good morning to all of you on the dais and off the dais. At the first outset, I really congratulate this kind of activity that Odisha is organizing, because we have many conclaves, sports conclave, cultural conclave, but science and technology conclave are only few cases, and we are perhaps one of the lead in that aspect. That's why I congratulate the higher education as well as Vice Chancellor for all the universities and for holding some kind of activity where I was so much impressed that our young researchers, they come together from different universities in our state and showcase their results. I'm excited to interact with the eminent personalities. They are visiting this place. And I think this is very unique in my way of thinking. Then now I want to tell some aspects of research. Of course, actually, we have very eminent persons from physics, chemistry, biology, and geology, and so on. But I feel one area which we are very much neglecting, so to say, because Odisha is gateway of natural hazards, particularly hydrometeorological hazards. That is tropical cyclones, thunderstorms and lightning, heat waves, heavy rainfall leading to floods and droughts and so on, many aspects, starting from we call dust devil to that of very large season-cycle droughts. But really we are not focusing much attention in university level in that area because once we want the integrated development of our society, I feel one of the signs for the society we think that is from starting from a beggar in the street to the president in the palace, they need what is the weather and climate of that day or that area. But when we now face the issue like climate change, it reminds us about the Spanish flu in 1917 and Corona in 2019. So where actually all our knowledge in science and technology, particularly medical science, was failed because so many people are perished or lost their lives. But the climate change, which is inevitable and which is coming so fast, it has a lot of impact in all sectors of life, starting from water resources, food security, health, non-conventional energy, and sustainable development. So I think this is the area which is not different from the subjects that we learn in the university, because I was a physics student from Oxford University. So if you see weather prediction or climate study, it is a, we call it science of physics, but not so alone. It involves very high level of chemistry, because in the atmosphere we have aerosols, we have water particles, we have solar energy. So it is a very good lab for the chemical processes. So when we learn more about the climate change, ozone hole and so on, so we know that there are more than 2,000 reactions that take place in the atmosphere. Similarly, it is science for the biosphere. Like the plant and others, you know that they grow with the solar energy and water. But plant also immensely contribute to our atmosphere in the various forms, like evapotranspiration. We tell that if a desert comes due to deforestation. So that means it gives evapotranspiration, take the water from the root zone of the plant and then transfer it to atmosphere to transpiration. It also acts like a albedo. The change of the albedo, the solar energy partitioning at the surface, that takes place whether land is a desert, land is a water body, or land is a forest, or land is a ecosystem. Accordingly, it partitions the energy and gives whatever we are whether climate in local, that is due to the land surface processes. That is what we call biosphere. Similarly, hydrosphere, actually we all know that water is life. And if one day we don't have water, what we tell? What is difficulty? But you know, we use less than 1% of the water in our planet Earth. 97% in the ocean, 2 to 3% in the glaciers and polar region. We get less than 1%. And that comes to only by the weather and climate process. That is what we call a hydrological cycle. Evaporation takes place, then it goes, and then condenses and comes in the form of rain, and that